Did you know that adding texture to your walls can completely change a room? It's a simple yet transformative way to elevate your living space. It's true, fluted panels are a simple way to do this. These panels not only add depth and dimension, but also create a visually appealing focal point. They add a touch of elegance and sophistication. Imagine walking into a room that exudes a sense of style and refinement, all thanks to these panels. Plus, they won't break the bank. Fluted panels are an affordable option for those looking to make a big impact without a hefty price tag. Fluted panels are a hot trend in home design right now. They are featured in many design magazines and are a favorite among interior designers. They are a great way to upgrade your space without spending a lot of money. You can achieve a high-end look on a budget. You can find them at most home improvement stores. They come in various styles and finishes, making it easy to find the perfect match for your home. And the best part? You can install them yourself. With a few basic tools and a bit of patience, you can transform your walls in no time. Fluted panels are a versatile design element. They can be used to create a feature wall or to add texture to an entire room. They can be used in any room of the house, whether it's the living room, bedroom, or even the bathroom. Fluted panels fit seamlessly. They look great in living rooms, bedrooms, and even bathrooms. Their versatility makes them a popular choice for homeowners. If you're looking for a way to add some personality to your home, fluted panels are a great option. They allow you to express your unique style and make your space truly your own. With a variety of textures, finishes, and colors available, you can customize the look to suit your taste. From sleek and modern to rustic and traditional, the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Start exploring the world of fluted panels today and see how they can transform your home into a stylish and inviting space. Let's face it, home renovations can be expensive. The costs can quickly add up from materials to labor, and it can feel overwhelming. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. With a bit of creativity and smart choices, you can achieve a stunning look without breaking the bank. Fluted panels are an affordable way to make a big impact. These panels add texture and depth to any room, instantly elevating the space. These panels come in a variety of materials, each offering a unique look and feel. You can find them in wood, which brings a natural, warm aesthetic to your home. MDF, which is a cost-effective and versatile option, and even PVC, which is durable and easy to maintain. This means there is an option for every budget. No matter your financial constraints, you can find a fluted panel that fits your needs. Don't be afraid to get creative with the color. Painting your fluted panels can add a personal touch and make your space truly unique. You can paint fluted panels to match your existing decor, ensuring a cohesive and harmonious look throughout your home. Or, make a statement with a bold color choice. A vibrant hue can turn a simple wall into a stunning focal point. Fluted panels are easy to work with. They are lightweight and can be handled without professional help. You can cut them to size, making them adaptable to any space, whether it's a small nook or a large wall. And they are fairly simple to install. With basic tools and a bit of patience, you can transform your space in no time. This makes them perfect for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, fluted panels offer a manageable and rewarding project. We've all been there. You walk into a room and the walls are just blah. They lack personality. It can make the whole space feel unfinished. Plain walls can be boring. They don't add anything interesting to a room. You want your home to reflect your style. And your walls are the perfect canvas to do that. You don't have to live with bland walls. There are plenty of ways to add interest without spending a fortune. And fluted panels are one of the best options out there. Section 4. Fluted panel options from classic to modern. Fluted panels have evolved over the years, offering a wide range of choices for every taste and style. Fluted panels come in all shapes and sizes. Whether you're looking for something subtle or bold, there's a design that will suit your needs perfectly. You can find them in a variety of styles to fit your taste. From intricate patterns to simple lines, the options are endless. For a classic look, try traditional wood panels. These panels bring a timeless elegance to any space, making them a popular choice for those who appreciate a more traditional aesthetic. They add warmth and character to any room. The natural texture and rich tones of wood can transform a plain wall into a focal point. If you prefer a more modern feel, consider sleek PVC panels. These panels are not only stylish but also practical, offering durability and ease of maintenance. They offer a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Perfect for contemporary spaces, PVC panels can help create a streamlined and uncluttered look. No matter your style, there's a fluted panel out there for you. From rustic to modern, eclectic to minimalist, the right panel can enhance your decor. The key is to have fun with it. Installation can be a creative process, allowing you to personalize your space. Experiment with different materials and colors to create a look you love. Mix and match to find the perfect combination that reflects your personality and style. Section 5. A fluted transformation before and after. One of my favorite things to do is transform a space with fluted panels. The results are always stunning. I recently used fluted panels in a bedroom makeover. The before and after photos speak for themselves. The room went from drab to fab. The fluted panels added depth and dimension to the walls. They instantly made the room feel more luxurious. And the best part? The homeowners were thrilled with the results. Section 6. Unleash your inner designer. Fluted panels are an easy and affordable way to upgrade your home. They add instant character and charm. Plus, they are a great way to personalize your space. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner designer and give your walls the makeover they deserve. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes.